Hi, Eric. My name's Ryan. Thank you for allowing me to send you this quick video. First things first is obviously no obligation with this video. Just wanted to add some value to you um, so that you can hopefully grow your business. I do say I'm a lot, and I'm sorry, and I do sort of blabber a bit, so I'll try and keep it as short as I can. Basically, I'm going to show you your website analytics and what some of your competitors are doing and try and let you know how we can implement that onto your website to improve your website. So basically, what generally happens is you have some buyers out there, they'll search some buy intent keywords. So for example, buy intent keywords, landscape and design, Riverside. Then you sort of get the Google business profiles first. And obviously, let's talk about this quickly before we move on. So these are also really, really good. Top three is what I like about Google. I see you do have one, and I'll show you over here. Find you down the page. You are between 61 and 80, so no one's finding your Google business profile. So, and then what happens is Google sort of ranks you based on. So here we go. So Google sort of ranks you based on the buy intent keyword being used and the content on your homepage and the analytics of your picture. So that is basically in a nutshell how it works. So Google crawls your website 24/7, checking your contents, checking the data of your images, and so on and so on. So we'll quickly start with your website. I really really like your website. Very very nice. I love how these images sort of bleed into each other, which is really really cool. It's good that you have stuff um, well easily to find. So obviously landscape and design, very very good. Obviously the interlinking pages, view more, which is really really good. Also like this inquire button, which follows you all the way down the page, which is excellent. So that anyone sees something they like or they find what they're looking for. For example, um, landscaping architecture, they can literally inquire without having to now go back a page or go to a contact us page or anything. It's sort of right there. Um, let's quickly let's quickly keep going. So yep, got some good stuff. Client testimonials, always good to have. Um, recent projects, always good to have, and blogs, very good to have. So basically, I'm going to show you now the actual analytics of your website. So, like I said, your website's really, really nice. We just maybe have to sort of change the content. So I've done a bit of a word count. You've got 1,570 words. Your competitor is 800 words, so that is good. So Google looks at the number of words you've got. Obviously, they look at all the content and everything, and then they compare and they think, well, you have a lot more buy intent keywords. You have your images all depicting keywords and key phrases, so you'll be more powerful in their eyes. So these are the analytics of your website. DR and UR is basically how powerful and how trustworthy you are in Google's eyes. These are pretty good numbers. So that's good. Backlink, so that's basically a shout out from another website that has a link to your page on there. And currently you have 163 backlinks and 141 referring domains. A couple other things about backlinks are that not all created equal. You can already get some low-powered ones, you get some high-powered ones. You can also get ones that are got nothing to do with your type of business you're doing, which doesn't really help you. You want to be more to do. Your backlinks should be stuff to do with your business, so landscaping, for example. And then Google is sending content to you for only these 32 keywords, and you get 3 bits of traffic. So I'll quickly go into the keywords. This is basically what Google has noticed on your website, and this is what they sending business to you on. So I'll show you on some of your competitors now. You'll see that their numbers are a little bit higher, but that's because they got the correct buy intent keywords on their website. So basically, this is how you're getting your 3 bits of traffic at the moment through these buy intent keywords, and this one is in Korea. So that's also very interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit back to the overview, and then I'm going to go to first competitor I'm going to show you. He's very similar to yours. You can see DL and UL very good, similar sort of backlinks, referring domain, and you can see he's got getting found for 76 keywords, and he gets 131 visits a month. And this is growing, so which may mean he may have done some sort of work to his website. So that is growing. Then yeah, there's another competitor you got. You can see they're a little bit more powerful in Google's eyes. They've got a lot more backlinks, a lot more referring domains. They're getting found for a lot more keywords, and they're getting 807 traffic. 807 visits a month, which is pretty good. And obviously that's grown, we could say 10% in the last sort of month, which is really, really good. So basically, in a nutshell, what we need to do to your website is update your content to make sure that there's buy intent keywords on there. You need to make sure that your images also have the correct data on. We also need to then make sure that we have the correct backlinks and more powerful backlinks and more backlinks than your competitors, because that is what will get you to rank higher. Because ultimately, what we want to be doing is we want to be ranking over here, because the statistics are 24%. The person sitting in first position for this keyword, he's going to get 24% of every time this is searched. If this keyword is searched 100 times a month, he's going to get 24 visits just from that keyword. Whereas the lower you go down, I think these guys are about 11 and about 9, and then the numbers sort of jump drastically. So if you somewhere down the page over here, you are not really going to get any traffic for that keyword. So I may have said this already, but in a nutshell, we need to update the content on your web page to make sure that it's the correct keyword, what's actually being searched. What's being searched. Make sure that your images have the correct data on, and make sure our backlinks are up to date. Then, like I said about your Google business profile, is we need to just make sure we can get you ranked higher. We want to be effectively one of these top 3 over here, because that'll also bring you more business. So I hope this was helpful. Please, any feedback is good, whether it's good or bad. If you're unsure of something, please let me know. Like I said, I'm just trying to add some value to your business. Your website is effectively an extension of your business. So if we can get your website working for you, and you invest a little bit in it, you can get it working for you, we can get some more leads and some more business that way. So let me know what you think, and hopefully hear from you soon. Goodbye.